How to add music to your Instagram story. First, open your Instagram app. Tap on the plus icon at the top or your profile picture to start adding a story. Here, you can either record a new video or choose an existing one from your gallery. Scroll down and select the photo or video. At the top right, click on Done. Look for the music icon, which should appear on the top of the screen. Tap on this music note icon to start adding your tunes. A selection of recommended songs will appear, but you can also search for a specific track by using the search bar. From the search, click on the song to add. After choosing a song, use the slider to select the exact part of the song you want to feature. You can preview how it will sound in your story here. If you want lyrics to appear in your story, make sure to select a version of the song that includes them, usually indicated by a music note and letters icon. Pick the style of lyric display that suits your story's aesthetics. Once you're satisfied with your music and lyrics, tap Done. Now, adjust the lyrics to your desired place in your story, and at the bottom left corner, click on Your Story. Your selected music and lyrics will automatically play and display when your story is viewed, and that's it.